Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to go in and remove an old iPhone account that you had. You may have got a new one, or you've just turned that one off and hooked up something else. So I'm going to take you in and I'm going to show you how to eliminate it. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, sign into your phone, and what you want to do is you want to go up to the settings app. It looks like a gear. You can see with my circle and pointer. Just click on settings, and you're going to see my name at the top there, Stephen Hickey, Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes, and App Store. We want to click that, and in here you're going to scroll down towards the bottom. Here you will see I have various different iPads and iPhones, and so today I want to take out the Stephen's iPhone 6s Plus. It is fourth from the bottom. This is everything that you have with Apple. You're going to have a list of different things inside here, and so if you previously got rid of a phone, you've sold it to somebody else and you got a new one, old account is left in here, and so you don't need it. So we're going to take that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my name and the iPhone 6s Plus, and it's going to open up, and it's going to show you the phone. It's going to show you the serial, the IME number, and all that. And then if you have Apple Pay connected, it shows you that. But what we're going to do now is we're just going to click on remove from account. So down at the bottom there it says remove from account. So if you have you're in here and you're looking around, you get something you want to remove, you just come in here and we're going to click on remove from account. So click on that, and then it says remove Stephen's iPhone. After you remove this iPhone, you will no longer be able to approve new devices or use iCloud and other Apple services until you sign in again. All Apple Pay and information will be removed. Yes, I'm fine with that. So what you want to do is you want to click on remove, and so we removed, and now it's refreshed. And if you scroll down, you're going to see it's no longer there in the list. And if you have anything other than that phone you want to remove, or an iPad you want to remove, or whatever, you just come in here and you can do that. Okay? So this is it for this video. I just wanted to bring you in here and show you how to do that. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification, and it'll notify you of any new videos coming out, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down on the right side and make sure the lines are above the bell to get notified of new videos coming out, and click above to watch the latest vid.